Hey Storm Shielders, I'm meteorologist Jason Myers with your weekend forecast. May 31st, June 1st is the weekend. We're ending the month of May, beginning the month of June. May 31st, a big day in the weather world because that is 1 year ago that we saw the El Reno tornado, the nasty tornado that ended up killing 3 storm chasers. A terrible, terrible tornado, very erratic in movement as well. Went to ChaserCon earlier in the year. We got these little cheeseburgers and just kind of a good way to remember those guys. So our thoughts go out to the family, the friends of those 3 guys there. Just they are missed. June 1st, first day of hurricane season. It doesn't look like we'll be seeing any hurricanes, just maybe a small chance for some severe weather in the middle of the country. In the central plains is where we're looking, off to the northern plains as well. So Saturday is what we're looking at for Montana, northeast Wyoming, southwest North Dakota, western South Dakota, part of Nebraska, and northeast Colorado. Sunday, that area grows a little bit and it moves a little farther to the east from the Texas Panhandle to southern South Dakota. This is going to be our better chance for severe weather, I'm thinking Sunday. And both days, the biggest threat is definitely going to be hail. Let's take you through the weekend, shall we? We'll focus on the eastern half of the country first, looking at the rain showers and thunderstorms that can be expected. Big area of high pressure just northeast of Michigan. This is really going to clear out a good chunk of the eastern half of the country. The exception is going to be the southeast. It is still hot, it is still humid, and that's going to lead to some instability, afternoon showers and thunderstorms. It looks like both Saturday and to a lesser extent Sunday as well. Here we are Sunday afternoon. We start to see some of those showers and storms popping up. A few more in Illinois as well. Rewind and we'll move west. Check this out. Here we are again on Saturday. Remember that area of severe weather. There's a boundary here. It's a cold front that's going to be slowly work its way to the east, and you'll see quite a bit of weather firing up in the afternoon and the evening. Here we are late Saturday, and then moving into Sunday, a lot more activity, a lot more organized come Sunday as this low pressure really begins to develop, and that's when we'll see a better chance for severe weather on Sunday. Again, biggest threats going to be the large hail and not as much wind or tornadoes. As for temperatures, really, well, first of all, not much in the way of rain going on the west coast and in the southwest. Unfortunately, could really use some rain in the southwest because still dealing with that significant drought. But our temperatures are really going to be hot this weekend, especially in the southwest. Triple digits wherever you're seeing the shade of white. Phoenix usually doesn't see their first triple-digit day until about June 5th, and well, we've already seen that, and we're going to continue to see that this weekend. Everybody else, a little bit warmer than what we should be seeing for late May, and as we head into June, here we are, some overnight lows cooling down, but it warms right back up as we head into the afternoon of Sunday. A little farther to the east, we'll rewind back in time and go back to Saturday one more time. Notice it's a little cool in the northeast. That's the April chill that we've been feeling really most of this past week, but now we'll start to feel warmer air returning. It's going to feel more like late May and early June again. Look at that, warmer air moving back in, still hot and humid in the southeast. Midwest doing pretty well as far as temperatures are concerned. It cools back down Saturday night, but Sunday we're looking at another warm up. There we are Sunday afternoon. Pretty toasty conditions in most of Indiana there with highs in the 80s. Usually don't see these kind of numbers until late June and into July. So it is really warming up, especially in northern Indiana and parts of Illinois. So that's what it's looking like this weekend. All in all, not a bad weekend. If you're in the northern and central plains, make sure you download Storm Shield. It could save your life. We could easily see some watches and warnings popping up Saturday and Sunday. I'll try and keep you posted on Twitter and on Facebook over the weekend. I hope you have a great one. Enjoy some time in the sun if you can, if it's not raining too much and if it's not too hot or humid for all of our friends really across the entire South as things are really heating up these days. But enjoy the weekend, like and subscribe to this video. I'll see you next week.